How can optics technology improve the efficiency of your manufacturing, and what are the pathways to integrate this technology in your production? I'm Roger Groves, Associate Professor at Delft University of Technology, and I work on inspection and monitoring technology for manufacturing and maintenance. I'm the chair of the Applied Optics for Manufacturing workshop on 5th of October at Microcentrum in Veldhoven, and at this workshop we hope to answer both these questions for you. In the morning session, presenters from universities and research centres will give you their perspective on optical technology that will become important for manufacturing in the next few years, and that you should start preparing for now. After lunch, SMEs will talk about optical technology developments that are available now and will be available to discuss cooperation and integration of these technologies to make your company more efficient. The workshop will be hosted at the Microcentrum in Veldhoven with a restricted number of attendees and following up-to-date COVID government guidelines. I'm looking forward to meeting you on the 5th of October, and the meeting is free of charge to attend.